If you want an extra storage for your Tesla, then keep watching. So here I have Evooor Underscreen Storage, and this is what it came out of the box. It has an instruction manual, and there is a silicone mat which is very sturdy and strong built. It has some edges, and this is the storage unit, and it has another silicone rubber strip, and there is two sponge gaskets. This only applies if you're using it for Model 3 2024. So it goes right here and here, so you need to stick this to both sides for Tesla Model 3 2024. It also has this two steel plates and then magnet, and this is a silicone rubber stripe, and this is the actual unit. It is made up of high acrylic material which is resistant to high temperatures, and there is a notch. You just need to push it forward to unlock. And let's install the magnet here. So we are going to put the magnet in place, and there is this silicone strip that we are going to attach this. So this is to prevent the scratching to the surface where we are going to attach this unit to. So our magnet is in place, and this is used for the ETC or toll device. Now the silicone mat, it attaches like this. There is a notch, so it stays in place. This nano liquid silicone material prevents falling and sliding, providing maximum protection for your belongings. And on the side there is a magnet to ensure that it enhances stability while driving, and your belongings stay in place even during sharp turns or sudden movements. So now let's install this in our car. I'm installing this in my Tesla Model Y. So you open the latch and then place your hand underneath like this and secure it with the latch. Just push the latch and it's installed. Very quick installation and very easy to do. So your storage is ready. You can store your phone, your sunglasses, and it is very discreet. Even you can put your wallet in and nobody can tell that there is a storage. So it is very good use of the space, and this is how it looks from the side. And it has a strong magnet, so it's going to stay in place. Even you can store your snacks for quick access, and it is very convenient when you are driving. It is just open it and then you can access your stuff. It's very versatile, and there is no noise whatsoever when you are driving. No rattling or no clicking sound, anything, because it has that silicone rubber grip. So it is a very useful accessory for your Tesla, and if you are interested in purchasing, I have a link in the description box. Please check it out, and also you can check out my channel page for more Tesla accessories. So please give a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.